The ginger plant was used for medicinal purposes before being consumed as food. The tea of this plant is good for almost all physiological problems when consumed in the right amount and on time. What are the benefits of ginger tea consumption? Let's examine it together. You can subscribe to our channel for free without missing the advantages. We are here with a new informative video every day. What are the benefits of a glass of unsweetened ginger tea a day? Packed with antioxidants, ginger is quite high in balancing blood sugar. A glass of ginger tea can meet 20% of the daily phosphorus requirement. This ratio is very important to prevent diabetes. On the other hand, when ginger tea is used correctly, it helps to reduce the amount of bad cholesterol in the body with the components it contains. It is effective in preventing vascular occlusion by regulating the amount of lipid in the blood with its contributions to the circulatory system. Also, ginger tea is very effective for digestive problems. It stimulates the metabolism in the digestive system and feeds the beneficial bacteria in the gut. This probiotic effect maximizes food absorption and removes harmful bacteria and toxins through digestion. With its contribution to both blood sugar and digestive system, it helps to eliminate edema caused by excess sodium in the body. Ginger tea for a healthier brain structure. Plant acids from ginger prevent the deterioration of neurons. It improves cognitive functions by protecting cell structure against neurotoxins and free radicals. In addition, thanks to the compounds it contains, it increases the amount of acetylcholine in the brain, which is related to concentration and memory development. On the other hand, ginger tea is very rich in antioxidants that help boost overall health and prevent damage caused by free radicals. Thanks to its high content of vitamins A and C, magnesium, calcium, and potassium, it strengthens the immune system and creates a strong shield against diseases. The carnosol substance in its content is protective against cancer. So is there any harm in consuming ginger tea? How much and when should it be consumed? Firstly, ginger, which improves digestive activities, adversely affects digestive activities by showing intense processes in the intestines and stomach when used excessively and unconsciously. On the other hand, since ginger tea increases blood circulation, high blood pressure patients should be careful while consuming this thing. In addition, ginger extract is actively used in drug production and can interact with the active ingredients of drugs. Consult your doctor before using the ginger herb, especially if you are taking regular medication. So how much and when should ginger tea be consumed? This tea should be consumed at most 1 glass per day. Experts recommend consuming ginger tea 1 to 2 days a week. In the light of this information, you can add ginger tea to your diet and enjoy its long-term benefits. If you like our video, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel if you haven't subscribed yet. Stay well.